In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Earth Street View on iPhone. So let me show you what needs to be done. So first, you need to go ahead and download the app from the App Store. That's pretty obvious. Then you can go ahead and find a location by scrolling through the Earth, or you can just search for a location in the top left. So I'll go ahead and search for London. So we can make that search. We can also search for any specific street or any place, and it will recognize that. So here we are in London. Now I'm going to zoom in and we'll find a place manually. So if we zoom in here, we can see bits of London. Again, you can search for a very specific location. Now, once you're inside the map, go ahead and drag the person icon, which is at the bottom right-hand corner. Go ahead and hold down on that, and you will then be able to drop them anywhere that's blue. Make sure you don't drop them on like a blue circle because that will be an image, but any road which is blue, you can drag them on. Now, once you've done that, it should then show you that location. And then here you are inside of Street View. And you can swipe around and view all of your surroundings. You can also go up and down the roads via the arrows, or you can double click into the distance. Some roads won't let you access them, some roads will be blocked off, but as a general rule of thumb, you'll be able to go anywhere you want, and that's how you do it. So I hope that quick video did help you out.